We are leaving the Oberoi Hotel in the shadow of the Taj Mahal so we can
for our Lehenga.
We are on our way to a local tailor to get some amazing looking local clothes for tomorrow at the Taj Mahal. I left this in because you have to have some flavor of terrible crazy traffic and honking horns and this little family about to get squished, but they didn't, which seems to go on continually in India. Anyway, we're here at Anil Handicrafts. It was an amazing store. It looks really nice in here. This is like the general public area, and then we went downstairs where the tailor is, and let's see how that went.
So if you need these are like a semi-stitch one, they can stitch it up to the evening for you guys.
Really?
When we are going to see the sunset.
Up around, okay.
It's very easy. We will do like this.
Red. I like red.
So we do it like this and we make a blouse. अच्छा दादा मैं बता दूँ इनको ना एक ही दिन पहनना है सिर्फ ताजमहल ताजमहल
We will make a blouse. Nothing, babe.
Exactly. Maybe the Oberoi can do that.
I want one giant ass sword.
Yeah.
Sword I can give you.
You can have. Oh, okay. He's got a sword. We can borrow one for a photo shoot. I don't know if they'll let us. Yeah, exactly. They won't let us in with a microphone. I don't think they'll let us in with a sword.
This is the hat, the turban. And this cup, next cup.
Now he's in more burgundy. Is there a way to have him more red so he
Okay, this tootie face is because these pants were really hard to put on. They're really narrow at the bottom. I guess Indians have small feet. Take these off.
Oh yeah.
That's one.
Okay. These are really tight.
I told you, there's no way I'm getting them.
I'm gonna tell.
No.
I think you might need them a little bit like more wide at the bottom. They're really hard to get off past his heel.
Oh.
Let me just try.
You only have to come off one more time. We could cut them off tomorrow.
Oh my God. Wait,
there you go. Nice. Good
They're
work.
off. So you guys are awesome. Yeah. We love this place. We're very excited to have our custom clothes and to have them on tomorrow. You excited?
I am so excited.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have some cool pictures.
Here's my recommendation for it. Actually, I got your sign on the way in. I already said we're going to Anil's.
It's a pleasure to serve you.
Yeah.
For the dresses, and I hope you enjoyed the Taj Mahal and the dresses.
Yeah, totally. We're
And
gonna.
if you come and you mention us, you get $5 off.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
you recommend more guests to us.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Okay, take a jaunt over to Instagram, Doug and Nikki Insta on Instagram, and you can see all the amazing pictures in these cool clothes at the Taj Mahal. It was awesome. It is worth checking it out. Like those photos, and make sure you add the hashtags that you follow so you see our photos come up regularly.